Greetings, my name is Arif and I'm with the OvrStream team. In this video we're going to show you how you can create and animate a custom progress bar that will fill either with Twitch cheer goals or Streamlabs donation goals. Let's start with our template. You can find this one in the library window under Inputs, Twitch. Remember that you can modify any template to make it your own in our title designer. We've got more tutorials on that in a helpful playlist. Once you select Twitch cheer goal, you'll log into Twitch via our input window. This menu will allow you to set the goal amount, the way you'd like percentages displayed, and the end date of your goal. You can hit enter after typing into these boxes to confirm these amounts. If you hit the reset button, this will reset the progress back to 0. Once the title design is assigned to the input, click Show Inputs on the Edit and Preview window. This will give you the menu options to drag the amount, goal, percent, and date onto the right text boxes of your alert. The bar will fill up as you get closer to your goal. Happy fundraising. If you have any questions, you can always find the OvrStream team on Twitter at OvrStream, or join our community Discord, or simply visit our help page linked in the description box down below. We can't wait to see what you create with OvrStream.